today we're going to make nice tasty sugar vanilla cookies. They're very easy to make and kids will enjoy them, so let's begin with the ingredients. 1 cup of butter at room temperature, half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 egg, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 pinches of salt. So in a bowl we're adding our butter first and mixing it with our sugar. Now we're adding our vanilla and our egg. And combine that in. Now we're just going to mix all our dry ingredients together. Now mix in your flour with the rest of the batter. So we preheated our oven and lined our tray with tin foil so the cookies don't stick onto the tray. We also have half a cup of sugar to roll our cookies in. So with a spoon, get a spoonful of your mixture and roll it in a ball. And then roll it in your sugar. Then place it onto your tray. Make sure your cookies are spread out because they're going to rise. Now we're going to bake these in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Make sure you check them because everyone's oven is different and bake at different times. So you need to bake these cookies at 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit. So here we have our sugar vanilla cookies. They're done. So we're just going to leave them to cool down. So here we have our delicious, tasty sugar vanilla cookies. They have a nice vanilla flavour coated in sugar. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.